Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretobeCreative, and I am here with this month, which is the month of April. I am here with the Stuffy Collab hosted by Poetspice, and you will check out all the other collaborators in the link below. Please like and subscribe to their channel, and you will be inspired how to use a bag, a box, or a purse. And so it could be die cut, hand cut, handmade, or whatever, but it just has to be one of those things, a box, a purse, or a bag, and it has to be able to be stuffed. It means it has to be whatever size, as long as you can put something in it, you know, preferably like something that you might, you know, say you want to give to a small person. So it just has to have that size, big enough that you can put something in it. So this month, this was one of my new dies I got from Tuesday Morning a while back, right before, maybe a month or so before quarantine or so, I don't know, but anyway, so probably January, February, something like that. But anyway, this I said furlough, quarantine is what I meant. This is the Graceful Marquee box by Tonic Studios, and again I got this at Tuesday Morning. And so this is a 13-piece set, and you can kind of see the different ways you can do it. It's 2 different prints. You can layer it, cut inside of it, you know, different ways. So you could multiple different things. I didn't just make as many as I wanted to. I was using my cuddle bug and it was not. Didn't have enough pressure, whatever, enough places to hold, you know, to cut through. And my office right now is a mess. Excuse me. Not a mess, actually. That's not really true. My office is actually clean. My craft room is actually clean, but it's just tight right now because I had to make this into a home office and a craft room, and more than just putting just a laptop and printer. I mean, you know, with us being furloughed and, you know, being the supervisor, I have to have so much stuff here. Oh my God, so many charts and blah blah blah. So it's like hard to craft. I haven't lost my desire to craft. It's just so much stuff now. I feel like I'm swamped. And I spent the last 2 weeks just cleaning out my craft room, and I downsized a lot of stuff. But I swear, it's like I did all of that the first couple of weeks when we were closed, and now I went back remote working just to get ready for, excuse me, all the stuff I had to bring here. So I say all that to say that I wanted to make a little bit more, but it was just a little cumbersome. But I did cut this out, and the month theme was blue. Anything blue. So with boxes, purses, a bag. And so I cut this out. I made it in a couple different colors, and like I said, my cutter bug wasn't working and didn't cut the pressure out, so those were waste. And then I made these 3, and as you see, these are big enough that you can actually put some chocolate, you can put some pom-poms, you can put some embellishments, some rosettes, some different things in here. So I'll just show you what I did. So this first one right here, very easy to make, and I ain't gonna open that one up because this thread is coming, well, I guess that because it's coming loose anyway, but it has slits already pre-cut in there. Everything comes scored, and so this one, this is gonna be really loose, but anyway, I guess I shouldn't take this, go ahead and take a picture yet, but you can see how big it is on the inside. You can fill that up, so you can stuff it with anything. And I layered the inside with the blue left over from one of my scrap pieces that I was going to use that didn't work out. So I layered those 3 pieces on each section, and a nice little cute little print. And so that was inlaid into it. And this one I just cut it out, the print as well as the border, and I take those 2 together and I cut it out so that you can just see what that looks like. And so you can do this a couple different ways, but I just cut out the top layer, each one of those, so you can kind of see how that looks. And I just doing some ribbon real quick. And then this one I just used some of the solid pieces. I didn't put it on all of them, just so you can see you don't have to put on all the pieces, all the sections, or the sides. I just did that and that, and I just cut out, just punched out those punches real quick, some recollection punches, just to show you another way. If you want to make a quick simple box, you don't want to make it, you know, elaborate or whatever, you could have stamped on this, you could have die cut this with something totally not related to this die set, you could have put a die with a word on top of it, like hello or welcome or congratulations, whatever, up here. But again, I just used some punches real quick. You can put some bling on this. You know, you can really bling it out. But I kept it simple just so you can kind of see what the cuts look like. And again, you can use different types of, you know, thread, binding, ribbon, cording, different things that you want to use to hold it together, to keep it shut. So you do have that. And like I said, it already came pre-cut with the slots. So that's one good thing on it. And of course, you can hang some tags off on it, some bells, some balls, all kind of dangles. So just wanted to show you real quickly, you know, 3 different versions of the same exact box. And, you know, so the die is, you know, 13 dies. So you have 2 different prints that you can use, you know, and you can use them lay on top or to cut into the actual box. And then you have the solid pieces, the solid piece like this, or the solid piece with the edging around it. So there is a lot of versatility there. And I'm going to hopefully not mess this up too bad. I'm trying to pull this right back through, this coming apart. But so anyway, that's what I made this month for my blue. As you can see, I used blue on each one of these projects. So hopefully you will be encouraged to pull out one of your boxes and use it in a project. So hopefully you'll go out and check out the rest of the ladies, and I hope everyone is safe and doing well. And take care, and God bless, and I dare you to be creative.